All right, guys. I wanted to take a quick minute to explain your quiz to you and then kind of explain my expectations. I want to start by telling you a story of the one time I ever cheated as a student. I was in the 11th grade. I cheated on a math test. I thought I got away with it because I looked on another person's paper. I got the answers. Then, about a week later, the teacher called me into class when no one was in there, and he had the same problems written on the board that were on the tests. And he said, pick one, do it. And I couldn't do any of them. So right then and there, he knew that I cheated. He kind of caught me. But at the end of the day, he wanted it to be a lesson. He wanted me to understand that, like, look, you can cheat your whole way through life, and you got unlucky and you got caught. But what's going to happen when you get a job or become a doctor or become a lawyer? Or, you're presented with a really difficult decision. That if you're cheating and doing stuff like that and being dishonest and lying to yourself and everyone else, it's just not the right thing. We want to do the right thing here at Piedmont. So I'm going to ask you to please do your best on this. If you miss a question, it's going to be okay. I know I haven't been here for 2 weeks. I need to know where we're at. I need to know how we take tests, quizzes, and assessments. So this is a learning experience for you and me together. Secondly, you need to learn how I give quizzes and tests as well. So very quickly, I'm going to go over what might be unfamiliar to you. I know you've all taken multiple choice tests before, but I have 3 questions for you. You're going to answer all 3 by highlighting your answer, and you're allowed to miss one, attempt all of them, but if you get 2 out of 3 right, you'll get credit for this section. Next is short answer. You need to write 2 to 3 sentences per question, per answer, 2 to 3 sentences. If you get one wrong, that's okay, because you can still miss one and get credit for this section. The next one is the fill in the blank. Again, write your answer in the blank, and you can miss one and still get credit. The last one is the hypothetical. You need to read this entire scenario, and then from the example, list 3 elements of culture you observed. Then you need to compare your culture to this one and show some differences. Again, this is a list, so it might just be a couple words. It might be, directly from this, or you might choose to explain it. Do the best you can. We are going to grade these together as a class. I won't make you share your grade or share your answer only if you want to. So please know that tests are important to me, but they're not quizzes. This is a quiz, informal. It's not meant to be stressful. Good luck. Do the best you can, and this is the first thing we'll talk about on Monday.